Welcome back to Daily Moral Philosopher. It's been a while. I've been out writing some papers and doing other things, but it's good to be back. Today I begin a series on the moral philosophy of Bernard Gert, who wrote a book called Common Morality, as well as a book called Morality, Its Nature and Justification. So what is common morality? Well, according to Gert, it involves moral rules and moral ideals that we all actually do accept, and he thinks it gives a better account than the Kantian and utilitarian alternatives out there. We'll have to look into that. In presenting the basis for common morality, he begins with an egoistic approach, though he does not end up with an egoistic account. He's neither a rational nor ethical egoist. Nevertheless, he argues we must begin an account of morality with an account of irrationality, and that involves specifying beliefs that it would be irrational for us to hold. For example, he says, an action is irrational when we correctly believe, one, that it will cause or significantly increase the probability of our suffering avoidable death, pain, disability, loss of freedom, loss of pleasure, and two, there is no objectively adequate reason for the action. Now, by an objectively adequate reason, he means a fact that makes an otherwise irrational action rational. For example, it would be irrational if I cut off my finger to get rid of the pain of arthritis, but I might need to actually amputate a limb even to save my life in extreme circumstances. So in coming videos, we'll see how he moves from this notion of irrationality to a notion of universal common morality.